Good day, people of YouTube. It's another hot and beautiful August day here in Southern California, and welcome back to the Polarizer channel, where we as a community of content creators are putting together a one-of-a-kind collab video intended to showcase the amazing, diverse talents and interests of YouTubers from all over the world. Today, I'm at Guitar Center picking up some gear I need to record my music part for the collab video, plus I've got some exciting updates to share with you regarding how the project's going. Now, I realize that some folks missed the content submission deadline earlier this month, and many of you watching are only just now hearing about the collab for the first time. And so because so many people remain interested in being a part of this project, I just knew I had to find some way to get more of you involved. So yes, the collab is once again open for submissions, so stick around to find out how to join. Please subscribe and turn on notifications, and let's cue the Polarizer logo. By the way, for those of you wondering how I created my channel's animated logo, check out the video link at the top of the screen, and I also put the link in this video's description. So last week, I uploaded the backing track that musicians are using to practice and record their parts for the collab's original song. And I want to thank all of you who've listened to that track and shown it so much love because, with all the hard work everyone's putting into this project, and because this is gonna be a music video, the music has to be on point. And if you think it sounds good now, just wait until talented musical artists, including Carlin Ladera, Puzzle Mirror, along with a few others, add their parts to the final mix. Again, I'm just absolutely blown away by the interest and enthusiasm people have shown for this project. Several of you have promoted my channel and the collab in recent weeks, and since I last provided an update on the project, because of your efforts, 11 more channels were able to meet the August 5th content submission deadline. And so let's welcome aboard Jenny T, one of the most versatile artists you'll find on YouTube. It's amazing what she creates with just random everyday stuff. Soraya Silvestri artist, whose mastery of poured acrylic painting is so beautiful to behold, and she's a gifted singer as well. Artfully Blind with Diana, a talented and enthusiastic advocate of small channels and the art community on YouTube. Sundays with Heart, a husband and wife team whose off-the-cuff vlogs focusing on fine food and drink will entertain you and make your mouth water. Online Mom Lay, sharing her expertise regarding the home-based online job world with some great short comedy skits sprinkled in. Joe Brush, an innovative mixed media artist who specializes in mini paintings and other small format pieces. The Weight of Things, an inspirational YouTuber sharing her journey regarding physical, emotional, and mental health improvement. The Create O City, whose channel showcases her beautiful graphic style of painting, drawing, and illustration. Filmmaker Lewis Lim, whose work includes some of the finest mobile cinematography on YouTube. Relax Heal Calm 365, bringing us soothing ASMR soundscapes to brighten each day. And last but not least, AB Gaming, who's taking video gameplay footage to another level with his unique style of play-by-play commentary. This means that as of today, including musicians, over 30 YouTubers from 12 different countries will be featured in the collab video. And as promised, we're making room for more, and this is where you come in. So whether you've already submitted content and would like more screen time in the collab video, or you missed the original deadline and want to take advantage of the second opportunity to be included in the project, let's talk about how you can join the party. I originally posted the instructions for the second round of content submissions in the description of the backing track video, which you can watch next using links in this video's end-carded description. Okay, it's time for a shout out to health improvement YouTuber Love Carbs Journey, who's the first person to send me content during this new round of submissions. And now, it's your turn. So first, when you're done watching this video, leave a comment below starting with #party to confirm that you'd like to join the project. Next, watch the collab backing track video, and what you want to do is make a video of yourself clapping, dancing, or doing something else fun as you listen to the track. And really feel free to get creative with this. You can include objects or backgrounds that tie into your channel's niche. Just make sure that whatever you do, it's a lot of fun and it's in time with the beat of the backing track. And anyone can submit these types of party clips during this round of submissions, even if you're already in the collab. So then email me your video clip along with the other requested information and you're good to go. And what's cool is even though we're spread all over the planet and we can't, of course, literally get together and party in person, and even if we could, it's not such a good idea right now, we can turn this project into one of this year's biggest group celebrations on YouTube when the finished video premieres in a few weeks. Because after everything we've all been through this year, we deserve to have a good time together and share it in a big way with people all around the world. As of right now, I haven't set a deadline for submitting the party video clips since the musicians need time to work out and record their parts for the music track. But keep in mind, there are limited spots in the collab, so you definitely want to record and submit your footage as soon as possible. I plan to provide another update regarding the collab next week, so if I receive your party video clip before then, you'll earn a shout out in my next update video. And I want to acknowledge that the growing popularity of this project has been an absolute team effort. The reason why there's an opportunity for more YouTubers to still join is because of channel owners like The Moody Artist, Carlin Ladera, Just Me Fifi Unique Fee, Callie Grits, Inspirations by Jen F, Avi Widiastara, Love Carb's Journey, and others of you who've been helping promote the collab. So let's all get the word out and take this party up to another level. Okay, so you've got the instructions below. Go check out the backing track video on the left of the screen here. Have a great time recording your party footage, and I'll be looking for your hashtags and emails. I'm excited to see what everyone's going to submit, and I'll see you again back here next week.